say hello to the broken cocainator. Just take off the lid, put in a carton of eggs, pack of hot dogs, another carton of eggs for some reason. I don't know, more eggs perhaps. There's no playback. There is a third option. Yes. And I'll tell it to you later. Now, I'm not usually a rules guy, but this is a biggie. No, my world and this world have to be a mama. Look, stop it, no laughing at that. I guess not. There, the dress is clean. Nice work, boys. There'll be a little less than an organ dress. No, hold on. There, the dress is clean. Nice work, boys. There'll be a something. No way. There. No, okay, I'll get it. There, the dress is clean. Nice work, boys. There'll be a something. No way.
Hey, can we please find the dog?
I'll get that. Cut. Wow.
Totally.
The Colonel Wilhelm Academy is a... Sorry. The Wilhelm Academy is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, Joe. You must act now. Sorry. The Colonel Wilhelm Academy for Troubled Youth is... Sorry. Is a... Ha! So we in the sales game call a win-win scenario. You ready? Ha! Ready? Keep going. Ready? Ha 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 ha! Whoa! Wait. Ready? And hi-ya! Ha ha! And action. Yeah. Action. Ha ha! Woo! It's a take. We just skipped off the track.
We shut the crates. The house will go back.
We don't have to tell your mother.
I can't get up. Ow!
Go. Faster, kid.
Holy crap. I know, maybe we can trace the mess back to the source. Follow the purple river to the crate.
Benny, you have that line in me.
It's just like summer camp, except with brutal forced marches and soul-crushing discipline. You're gonna lean on your left leg. I'm gonna smack you. Look at me! Keep reading the line.
You're not sending me to military school, are you?
Cross to that mark. I'll smack you. What are you two looking at? Look at the giant cat trying to go through the hole in the ceiling? Huh? Call me Lawrence, okay? Even though I'm dripping sweat and I look like a steamed dumpling right now.
Halfway.
They're not going to make a mess like they did. They're not going to make a mess for tonight's party, are they? Like they did last time? Wow, what the is wrong with me?
Get it right, Sean. Oh.
Someone there?
Well, sometimes I wish the same thing. Don't laugh.
You got to work it. Try the cupcakes. They're heavenly. They taste like dog. I started to laugh.
No, it's just a crate.
This isn't just any of. Wow. That's not even funny. Thing one. I don't know why they tried to type it. Blah, blah, I tried it again in English. Sorry.
Don't lick the slate.
Oh, come on, just a little bit. I've had all my shots. I was going to have a smorgasbord. Although those grapes are trained with. They're trained. Not good. Not good when it comes off. I can still tell you the capitals of all. Let's go right away. To the kitchen. Go.